In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw from Coinbase to your bank account. Start by signing into your Coinbase account. From the dashboard, make sure you have a cash balance available. If your funds are still in cryptocurrency, you'll need to sell your crypto first. Next, go to Assets, select the cryptocurrency you want to sell, and click Sell. Choose your local currency and confirm the transaction. After that, return to Assets and select your cash balance. Now click Cash Out. Next, choose your linked bank account as the withdrawal method. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, follow the prompts to add and verify it before continuing. After that, enter the amount you want to withdraw and review the transfer details, including any fees and estimated processing time. Now click Cash Out now to confirm the withdrawal. Finally, wait for the transfer to be processed. Depending on your bank and region, it may take a few business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to withdraw from Coinbase to your bank account. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.